In this video, we'll show you how to do the knit stitch, and when worked in rows, this is referred to as garter stitch. We're using Hayfield Bonus DK, and you'll use the yarns and needles in your pattern. So let's start doing the knit stitch. Here you can see I've already started working on my garter stitch, and this is knitting using the knit stitch on both sides of the work. We're going to start off by taking our knitting needle, holding our yarn. We're going to take our needle in our right hand, place through our stitch. So from the front, on this side, through the stitch to the back, we're taking our yarn and we're going to wrap underneath, over the top, hold our needle. We're going to take our needle through from this side, pulling the loop towards us, and we're then going to slip the stitch off the end of the needle, transferring it across. When working in knitting, we're working from one side of needle, transferring all our stitches to our other needle. We're going to work our next knit stitch, so we're coming in, over the top of our stitch, from the side closest to us, underneath, through the back, taking our yarn, coming underneath, over the top of our needle, holding this firm in our hand so the yarn is secure, bringing our needle through, underneath, bring it back towards ourselves, and then we slip the stitch off, transferring across to the other side. I'm going to go through that again, so we're going through our stitch, underneath, taking our yarn over the back, round, coming over the front, holding our yarn, bringing our needle underneath, to back over the top and slipping the stitch off. And this is our knit stitch. When knit is worked on both sides of our work, this is referred to as garter, and this gives this textured stitch with a nice weight to it, which is the same on both sides. And that's doing knit stitch worked in garter rows. Practice until you're confident and then head to surdar.com for more stitches, beginner kits, patterns and yarn.